Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. My name is Rasan Kiben. I'm 26 years old. I have two children, one daughter and one son. I have three brothers and one sister. I am the first in the family. I am Catholic and I live in Santander, Cebu, Philippines. I am a college level Bachelor of Industrial Technology, major in Computer Technology. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, and playing with the children. I work as domestic helper here in Philippines for 3 years, and I serve five members of the family, two adults and three children. My main duties to my employer are taking care of children, assisting them to their daily needs every day, prioritize their health and safety, and I know how to make them happy, like playing with them, tutoring basic English and math, and cooking their favorite foods. And I do a household work also like cooking, cleaning the house, wash and ironing the clothes, marketing and gardening, and also taking care of pets. I want to work in Hong Kong because employers in Hong Kong give high salary and Hong Kong is a safe place. To all prospective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper because I am hardworking, trustworthy, and honest. And I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities and follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.